Hey everyone! Today we're going through a quick guide on how to efficiently move a task from one list to another within your ClickUp workspace. Proper list organization helps boost productivity and clarifies workflow. First, access and locate the task. Start by finding the specific task you need to move within your project hierarchy. Number 1, log in. Open your web browser, navigate to clickup.com, and log in using your Google or email credentials. Number 2, find task. Browse through your workspace until you find the desired task. Number 3, open details. Click the task title to open the task detail pane. Next, use the More Options menu. The Move function is located within the task's action menu. Number 1, locate menu. In the task detail pane, find the three-dot icon, the More Options menu, next to the task name. Number 2, open options. Click the three dots to open the More Options menu. Number 3, select Move. From the drop-down menu, select the Move option. Next, move the task to a new list. A dialog will appear allowing you to choose the new destination list. Number 1, Selection Dialog. A dialog will appear showing all available lists within the current workspace. Number 2, Choose Target. Scroll or search to find the target list that fits your needs. Number 3, Confirm Selection. Click the desired list name. ClickUp will automatically transfer the task to that list. The task now appears in the new list. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.